I started off this whole drastic shift into cooking videos with a few dishes that work for dinner. For my third trick, I'm making a dish called Aranygaluska, or as it's known in some circles, Hungarian coffee cake or monkey bread. Now, if you don't know what monkey bread is, that's okay, I didn't either. At first I thought it was a kind of a boomer shorthand for drugs like dope or grass. Turns out it's actually an effective delivery system for sugar, cinnamon, and butter. I recently found out that my great-grandmother, a Hungarian-Jewish immigrant by the name of Bertha Stern, made this for my father when he was little. So like a dog peeing on its favorite bush in the morning, I wanted to reclaim this dish for my own kitchen. It also works out in my favor because as far as desserts go, it's pretty hard to mess this one up. You make a dough, you chop that dough up, you dip the balls of dough in melted butter and cinnamon sugar, and you plop it in a pan. Even if your dough balls don't come out perfectly, it's still all covered in melted butter and cinnamon sugar goodness. And if that doesn't sound good, well then frankly I don't care to know you.
So first you're going to take a yeast packet, mine are about 7 grams, pour that in a bowl with a teaspoon of sugar, mix in a cup of lukewarm milk, or really water will work fine, mix that up and you're going to let that sit for about 8 to 10 minutes until it gets foamy. Meanwhile, crack in your eggs, you get your salt in, mix that up. Add in your sugar, your honey, and then slowly put in that melted butter. Make sure it's not too hot because you do have eggs in there. Then after 8 to 10 minutes, your yeast should be a little bit foamy. Go ahead and toss that in, mix it up, and then slowly start adding in your flour. And then you're gonna get to kneading. There you go, slap her around a bit, and then put her in a pot with a little bit of olive oil so that it doesn't stick, and then throw a cloth, and you're gonna let it rise. Meanwhile, you can make your cinnamon-sugar-walnut mix. Really, you just follow the measurements in the recipe, mix them together. You can get your walnuts and just kind of break those up with a knife or whatever, however, use a food processor, whatever you want really. Now prepare your pan by brushing generously some melted butter around. Then you're gonna deflate your dough after the rise time is over. Take it out and then start sprinkling a layer of the cinnamon-sugar-walnut mix on the bottom of the pan. Assembling the Aranygaluska is quite simple. You're just going to chop off pieces of dough, roll them up to about the size of a golf ball, dip it in your melted butter, then dip it in your cinnamon sugar walnut mixture, and then go ahead and put it in the pan. They shouldn't be touching because they're gonna get a little bit bigger when you put them in the oven. After you've got about a layer of the dough balls sounds weird, but I guess that's what they are, dough balls. After you've got a layer of those, go ahead and start putting your jam on top. Now make sure you don't put too much jam and that'll seep down the edges. You'll see why here in a second. Once you're done, you've got all of your Aranygaluska dough balls on there. Go ahead and pour the rest of your cinnamon sugar walnut mix on top along with any remaining melted butter. Put it in the oven, take it out. Now you'll see here why you want to be careful about how much jam you put in on that first layer. It starts to ooze out from the sides. Oopsie poopsie. But that's okay, it's just a little bit of extra jam and it tastes delicious. So, plate it, clean it up, and it looks like it never happened. And there you go. Delicious, delicious Aranygaluska.
Now unless you have an unhealthy addiction to sugar, you're gonna have to call some friends over to help you out with this. I usually find that I can eat about 2 pieces at a time. The sugar rush from the third one usually makes me feel like I may have ingested a narcotic. You can find a link to the recipe in the description below, so go ahead and make it. Spoil that sweet tooth of yours, and what the hell, eat the third piece. Life's hard. Make like 𝗙𝗵𝗶 and treat yourself.